For one reason or another, Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce had what must be her latest season opener ever. Indeed, 2 solid 200-meter races, looking smooth and composed, and importantly, looking healthy. But despite seeing her in one full lap of competitive action, it is still hard to tell exactly how good a shape Shelly-Ann is in, considering that the 100 meters title is what she's going to Budapest to defend. She will surely run a few races between now and the start of the World Championships, which is over a month away. So it is difficult, if not impossible, to say if Shelly is fully back or not. If I were to hazard a guess though, knowing the warrior that Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce is, and flashing back to last season when Shelly's first 2 100-meter races were 10-6 and 10-6. So assuming that Shelly is now fully fit, we cannot put it past Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce to start her 100-meter season in the World Championships with even a 10-9 and then a 10-6 and another 10-6. Now, if she find them time there, then who are going to beat her? Who? Shaq who? And share who? Who going to beat her?